Alright, so I'm going to play Tetris with a few more pieces. These are not 24 inches wide. That one right there is. Here you can see the difference. They're not far off. They're like 22, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut them, 24 and 24, whatever I can make out of them, and then cobble together the leftovers. So there's all this other reclaimed wood that we have, and none of it's 24 long, wide. Some of it down here might be. What I want to do is just finish up and get some of this stuff out of here and get the garage insulated. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to cobble together the pieces. And I don't mind taking two pieces and going like this with them to make a piece that'll work. And then I'll just put another piece on the back, and it's behind the wall. Nobody's going to see it because right now we have nothing. So yeah, and then I need to get all this cleared up and get all this stuff out of here, because if I keep leaving it here, we're going to have mice that will come and hide in here and shit all over everything. Won't be good. So, and then we'll take the leftover plastic bags and shove them in the wall, as it'll act as insulation. So anyway, alright, so I'm going to try and use whatever I got. Well, yeah, we need to get this piece here, and we'll figure out what size I need. I'm going to have to remove this piece. I should do something with this air conditioner. Like, I need to make a way it can be pulled in and out. I can just set it on the toolbox when I'm not using it. Alright, so you have a piece of wood over here. Just kind of shove these pieces in here. I think they got more R value than a bunch of plastic bags. But I'm going to fill in as much as I can. If I had a stapler, it would probably be easier. But I'm going to get the wood in here. Hopefully it'll fit. I'm kind of working in tight constraints here, like stuff in the way, nowhere to really put it. So we got our board in here, we're going to pull a piece and then try and shove some bags in there. Alright, so it's going to land on there like that. That'll be pretty good. We just got lots of bags, we just expand them out, put them in there. I mean, we save all our bags. Alright guys, so got the panel in there. I gotta get in here later, but yeah, I got it's a significant amount of increased sheathing on the inside, and I mean, drywall would be nice, but whatever, this stuff's free. So I cut a strange sized piece here, which means that's great because I got tons of pieces that come up short. I forget what they do from the corner. I guess maybe like way up into the corner is like 24. So I don't know, I'm not a framing expert, but I believe this is what they call the California corner. But you got lots of stuff in the way here, so that's why I just decided to just do this and put these odd pieces in between. We got plenty of little pieces that can be Tetrised in here later on if I really want to. Main thing is just trying to keep the hot and cold from getting in and out of here. So yeah, I got to come up here and here, and then I just should have come over to this one. This one's also wrong, but it's a full sheet. So anyway, and this is that other stuff I was thinking of. This green. This is red. I don't know what the difference is. I think it's just the thickness. But I've seen red with different thicknesses.